Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using the Matplotlib. In today's video, I will show you how to use the subtitle. So SUP title or the super title. First thing we need is of course to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and yes, that's it. Then I will create some dummy values. These will be as simple as 1 2 3 to 6. Then we just call plt dot plot x, and now we call the sup title, and of course I want plt dot title so we understand the difference. So this is just title, and here we have super title. Then we call plt dot show. Let's see the difference and what is a super title is. And here we go. So this is a title for this chart, and this is a super title. So for example, if you have multiple charts, as we learned in the previous video, we can create subplots. Each subplot can have its own title, and we can add extra super title for everything else in this figure. So basically that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.